Hello guys! Today I am a wizard, yes! This is the best Halloween character for me because if you are a magician, you can do everything you want. And today I am here doing some magic and what we are going to do is to see how good we are with reading English. In this beautiful smoke, we have a text. Can you see it? Yeah! And we have some words that are mistaken. Yes, there are some mistakes. And we have to find them out. Let's read it. This is Leo, a boy. She is a street dancer. She is a street dancer? If Leo is a boy, where is the mistake? Where is the mistake? Where is the mistake? She. Can you see it's turning red? She is not properly. She is wrong. So what are the options? The options are it and he. Super easy. He is a boy, so he is a street dancer. His is dark-haired. His is? That doesn't sound good at all. Where is the mistake? Where is the mistake? His is turning red. So if his is not okay, what are the options? He or them? Them, it's impossible. He again. He is dark-haired, okay? Yes, he is dark-haired. He has dark eyes, well done. And often he wears caps and sweatshirts, okay? Very frequently he wears caps, not like my hat, and sweatshirts. Okay, well done. Our clothes are always sporty. Our clothes, like our clothes, his and mine? No. We're just talking about him. So that is not okay. Ours is not okay. What options do we have? We have his or her. He's a boy, so his clothes are very sporty. His clothes are always sporty. And his friends always ask her to dance. Ask her to dance? Ask her? No, that doesn't sound good. Her is for girls. Show me some options. Show me some options. Ask him to dance or ask us to dance. Ask us is him with me, both together. No. We're talking just about him. So, yes, it's him. Ask him to dance in all parties. And yes, now the text is shining because everything is correct and we did it together. Great job.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello people, ready to work with the personal pronouns and the object pronouns? See that. The personal pronouns are words we use instead of repeating someone's name like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Okay? I is for yourself. I like ice cream. You is for talking to someone, like you like playing games. He is for general for boys. She, general for girls. She enjoys reading. He likes soccer. Then it is for animals and objects. We includes you and some others. And they is for more than one person, okay? But the object pronouns are like secret codes that help us talk about who or what is receiving the action in a sentence. For example, object pronouns, me. Something is for yourself. She loves me, okay? Then you, the receptor, is the person you're talking to. This is for you. And then him or her, for he and she. The receptor is a boy or the receptor is a girl, woman. This is for him, this is for her. Then we also have it as well for animals and objects. This is for it. And we, the receptor, is you and someone else. This is for us. Finally, them. The receptor are people. This is for them. So for we is us and for they is them, okay? In here, what you can do is you can make a circle. Me, you, him, her, it, us, and them, okay? So you really know what are the object pronouns. Now let's do this activity together. Choose the correct pronoun in the following text. One sunny day, I decided to go to the park, or me decided to go to the park. Easy. I. One sunny day, I decided to go to the park. I am the subject. At the park, I saw my friend Jake, and he or him invited me to play on the swings. Look, I already have an object pronoun here. Me is here. So the subject is he, and he, Jake, invited me to play on the swings. While swinging, a friendly dog approached. Us or you? A friendly dog, a dog came closer to us, okay? Object pronoun, yes? Then we have, it wagged its tail and wanted to join us in the fun. It or he? I think that in here you could use both, but let's just go for the most formal one, it, because it's an animal, okay? It wagged its tail and wanted to join us in the fun. So, I asked, or me asked. Sounds better, I. I asked, can the dog play with us, or can the dog play with you too? No, I'm also there. I want the dog to play with me and my friend, so it's us. Can the dog play with us too? Jake said, yes, let's include it in our games. Great, again it, because it's an animal. Later, we met Lily and Max, or later us met Lily and Max. We, because it's a subject, right? Lily had a kite and she asked, do us want to fly the kite with us? I have here us, so cannot be us again. In here I have the object pronoun, now I need the personal one. Do you want to fly the kite with us? Excitedly, I said yes. I said yes. I'd love to fly it with you or with them. Later, we met Lily and Max, and Lily had a kite, and she asked, do you want to fly the kite with us? Excitedly, I said, yes, I'd love to fly with you. Of course, because I'm talking to them, right? So this is it. Remember, in here, personal pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, and they for subject. And object pronouns me, and you can put them here, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Okay? So, I like pizza, give me the pizza. You like pizza, I give you the pizza. He likes pizza, give him the pizza. Okay? So in here, they are receptors, they are receiving. These pronouns are receiving. And the subjects are giving, okay, are the ones doing the actions. Good job, guys.